Baby, ooh, girl. Bring it over to my place.
Yo, yo.
Sweet mango, I carry 'em from village to township. 1 week, 1 trouble. I don't see double. If to maybe don't kill me for this world, I don't go die. Do maybe, my baby, do maybe, my sweetie, do maybe. If to maybe no they do something they do maybe. If do maybe no they worry something they worry do maybe. My sweetie mango, do maybe. My baby, do maybe. My fine yo-yo, do maybe. My sweetie, do maybe. If do maybe no they do something they do maybe. If do maybe no they do maybe. I send them to Sukulu, making life better. I don't know say na they are I go see yawa. Basic education for some more qualification. Waiting I go call this one. Na bad condition. Do maybe, my honey. Do maybe, my sweetie. Do maybe. If do baby no they do something they do maybe. If do maybe no they worry something they worry do maybe. My village commando, do maybe. My baby, do maybe. Of your mango, do maybe. My sweetie, do maybe. If do maybe no they do something they do maybe. If do maybe no they worry something they worry do maybe. My dum do maybe. My baby, do maybe. My sugar bottom, do maybe. My sweetie, do maybe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Angel here. So if you're new here, my name is Angel. I create content on food and lifestyle. So if you really love any of this content, please click the subscribe button and also click the like button on this video because it tells you that baby girl is doing well. If you're not new, thank you for coming back now. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like this video so that more people can join us. Well, today we're just doing like a reset kind of video. So we're supposed to go out, right? We're supposed to go to ShopRite today because your girl won a shopping voucher. I'm excited because Papa God knows I needed that voucher because that's where like I need to get some things for content creation. I actually recorded all that intros before this one, but the noise in my room is just so not good. I mean, this is not my room. That's why you guys can see that it's a different setting. Yeah, because you guys already saw my room. Yeah, I'll get into today, but I first want to go have my bath and then go to the bank. I might take you guys along with me to the bank, depends on my movement. The thing is, I'm not even sure if I'm going to ShopRite today because they already sent me like a message telling me to go, but then I asked them who to meet because I don't want to go there and then start roaming about. Do you understand me? I want to go there and know that I'm meeting somebody. Last a good day, right? I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Chima, you too sweetie. I am your mumu. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love her. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Fool for love. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love her. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love her. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love her.
Hi guys, so we're done taking our bath and we're ready to go to the bank now. But hold up, let's take a moment to appreciate God's creation. Don't I look good? I mean, what are you saying though? I'm about to leave now. I'm going to the bank. When I'm done with the bank, I'll come back to the house because it's I and my brother are going to the shop, right? I just came to update you guys for leaving. I'm about to leave now. See you guys later. Bye. Hey y'all, so we're back. I can guess from my brother he's not ready. Guys, so I said it, he's not ready. He hasn't put on his clothes. He's still on towel, about to go and have his bath. But anyways, I'll wait for him, sha. But I still have to call my dad. Alright guys, so we're leaving now. Let me show you that boy. Daniel, say hi. Very bastard. Hey guys, so we're here. The weather is another thing. It was sunny this morning and then it just changed into this cloudy thing you can see up here. Anyways guys, hopefully we get why we came here. Alright, so we'll talk later. Bye. Guys, so we're still here and I'm exhausted. Trying to do a confirmation. Hey guys, so this is another thing. Totally different from what you saw in the last clip. So in the last clip you might have seen that we went to ShopRite. Guys, nothing got done that day. Like, I was very pissed. Nothing got done, and there are some reasons why. A lot of things are not sorted out yet, but currently, as I have reached out and I have asked, it has been sorted out. So we'll be going tomorrow again to claim the voucher and also to get things that we need to create content for you guys, because that's literally where all the money is gonna go into. I don't know. I've been thinking of what I really wanted to get for myself, but I have no idea. So maybe when I get there, I'll see something that I really like and I'll just pick it. But for now, we're gonna get stuff for you guys, for content for y'all. Anyways, I'll see you guys later, maybe tomorrow when I'm all dressed and ready to go. But for now, toodles. Okay, what up y'all? I know the lighting is pretty bad, but my room, you guys remember the last set of videos, I complained that there's an envelope company at the back of my house, and boy, those people make a lot of noise. So yeah, it's today. Waiting for my brother. He's not yet ready and it's pissing me off because he woke up late. Anyways, so it gives me more time to watch Naruto. Yeah, in the toilet. Come on, will you come out of that place? I'm gonna laugh. Anyways, guys, so as I was saying, who asked you to talk? Anyways, guys, so I'm ready to go, but we're still waiting for him. But right now I'm just gonna go eat and watch some Naruto before we eventually leave. We're going now, guys. Hey guys, so we're here. Hi guys, so we're here. This is pretty empty. I mean, obviously because it's like Monday morning, but yeah, so let's go check it out. Let's go find out if we're getting this stuff today and all of that. Bye. So hi guys, we finally gotten it. This is what it looks like. Yeah, and I can't wait to start spending, so let's go. Hi guys, so I'm finally back. You people, it's today that I know that grocery shopping, you know, easy. It's not easy, guys. Look at the long shopping list. That's long. Let me just tell you, money that is here. I feel like zooming in this money, but I can't. I don't want to tell you guys what I spent. Sure. But you guys will see as I go. Anyway, let me move back a little so I can do this grocery haul very well. So these are, we got shrimp. I'm gonna be using this in some of our recipes. We got Titus fish. Guys, these things, I don't know if you just smell, but they are just smelling somehow. I also got chicken breast. But guys, chicken breast in ShopRite is pretty pricey. I would buy like 5 to 6 of this for like $3.5 in this thing, in this place. Lebanon. But for ShopRite, I bought one of 3 pieces for $2.5 something. These ones are drinks. First of all, let's give it up for the one and only Baileys. Guys, I love Baileys. Got Coke. This is like $1.99, 200 naira. I tasted this thing before, so sour. But I've seen it in literally almost everywhere, and I don't know why a lot of people are advertising, or a lot of supermarkets have it in their store. I don't know why. Maybe it's sweet, maybe it's not. Who knows? We're gonna taste it. And from the one and only Tiger Nut Republic, I got Tiger Nut drink. I got dark soy sauce. I didn't see the brand I usually buy. That's Amoy. I didn't see that brand, and this one was pretty pricey than that one. Maybe this one will taste better. We'll see. Got garlic. I don't know how this garlic could be because it's pretty small. I don't know why you make a bottle this big when you know your garlic is going to start from here. Now, sweet chili sauce. I've seen this in a lot of places and I decided to try it. I did not want to buy the small one because, you know, so hopefully it's nice. We got Cajun seasoning. I've never gotten this before. I want to try Cajun spice for the first time. Caesar's ranch frolic mayonnaise. I've never tasted this before. I've never tasted frolic mayonnaise before. Hopefully it's nice. Mini Snickers. Bacon. And then Greek yogurt from Doy's Delight. Guys, there's a lot of line on. We got baby cucumbers because I just feel like this would be easier to cut. Here is lettuce. Is green beans. So just 137. And guys, this is even more than the 200 naira they usually sell in my house. Carrot was about 1.5. I don't know if it's cheap. I don't know if it's expensive. I don't know. But I know that carrot at home has gotten very pricey now. But yeah, hot pepper. This one I think I got for 1, 2. Can't remember the price. Either 1,000 or 1, 2. Can't remember. Strawberries, guys. Strawberries. We're gonna make something with this. I got minced pork. I got peas, but you know, I think I should have gotten the bigger size. But these are like baby peas. They're really tiny, really small. More peppers. Cheese. I got cheese, guys. Garlic. This pepper was maybe 100 naira. I think it was like 19 naira pepper. See how to smoke. And this classic kettle cheese chips. Haribo for my brother. We got milk. This is not my bag of chips then, if I'm seeing all these things. Anyways, we got crackers, 2 of that. Then this is chips, Lace chips. More gummies. Cheese balls, original. And we got this for like 130. Yeah. More Lace chips. Got Pringles. Got Just Cosmetics. Got Vicks. Got Pad. Got soap. So much to see here. Like the canned stuff. Okay, we have basil. We have corn. We have chickpeas. Guys, I didn't even know that they, because I was looking for chickpeas, the one that was in like dried. I didn't know they had canned ones, so I got chickpeas. Also got coconut milk. I've never tried store-bought coconut milk before, so I'm gonna be trying that. Then going to Instagram, guys. Instagram. Got hen's beans. Got crayfish in the meat. Trying this out on Instagram. Mushrooms. I've had this before when I was small. We've got sausages. Guys, I don't know how much this thing is. Golden fish. We got tomatoes. We got pepper. And guys, we got spinach. This is like 500 naira spinach. This is really cheap compared to what I buy in my local market here. 500 naira spinach. 300, which was really nice. Yeah. Guys, this is just lentils. We're gonna be trying this too. I know. Lentils, sorry, lentils. Oh, this one is just wheat bread for my mom. Guys, that's all! Okay, we got food. Their food is expensive. Very expensive. I'd rather buy Chicken Republic than buy their food.
That's nice.
Yeah, so their food is expensive. So guys, thank you for staying with me on this journey. It has been a lot. We went through a lot. From Tuesday to Monday, it has been a lot of waiting. But guys, we're done. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video. I'd really love that.